In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export lists from QuickBooks and then import them into Xero. We're focusing on customers, vendors, and transactions, ensuring a smooth transition from one platform to the other. The process may sound daunting, but by following these steps carefully, you'll find it's actually quite manageable. Let's start with QuickBooks, where we'll need to export the necessary lists. First, open your QuickBooks account. Navigate to the Reports section. Here you'll see a variety of reports, but our focus will be on Customer Contact List if you're exporting customer data. Select this report. For vendors, you'll choose the Vendor Contact List, and for transactions, look for reports such as Transaction List by Date. With your specific report selected, adjust the date range if needed to capture all the information you want. Once you're satisfied with the selection, locate and click on the Export button. It's typically found at the top right of the report screen. When prompted, choose the option to export as a CSV file. Repeat this process for each type of data you are planning to transfer, ensuring each report is saved on your system in the CSV format. Now that you have your list exported from QuickBooks, it's time to head over to Xero for the importing process. Log into your Xero account and go to the dashboard. Once you're there, find and click on the Accounting menu. In the drop-down, click on Advanced and then select Import. You'll be presented with options specific to the type of data you want to import. Start by selecting Import Contacts for both customers and vendors. For this step, click Browse or choose File to upload your previously exported CSV files. Xero provides a template for its CSV imports, but since we've already exported our list correctly, the transition should be smooth. If you notice any fields that don't automatically map, Xero will prompt you to map these manually. Take a moment to review each column to ensure accurate matches before proceeding. Once your contacts are in, it's time for the transactions. Go back to Advanced under the Accounting menu and select Import Transactions. Again, upload your CSV file, pay attention to the date formats, and ensure other critical data points align with Xero's import requirements. After uploading, do a final review of your data integrity by selecting a few entries and cross-checking them with records in QuickBooks to confirm everything is as it should be. After the importing is complete, check your list within Xero. This gives you a chance to catch any discrepancies early on. If something seems off, you can always revisit the corresponding CSV and quickly rectify the issue. By following these steps, you're fully equipped to migrate your data from QuickBooks to Xero efficiently. This setup not only saves you time but also minimizes errors, enabling you to focus more on managing your business rather than getting tangled in data entry tasks. Thanks for watching.